I just want to do this quick video. I have a Christmas tree here that my church bought. It's a 15.5-foot artificial tree. And the problem was I didn't set it up. This is like the third year that they've had this tree up. And the problem was is if you look at the tree, right here at the second layer, when the rest of the tree was up, these were all like colored, and then the bottom two layers were white. And every time I'd switch the controller, they would be opposite. So I already taken it apart and I've already fixed it. I just wanted to help anybody out that might have the same problem. So what I came up with, I started taking the tree apart, and when I got to this one here, the one where the problem was, I'll show you on a different one. On the bottom where these connect, there's this little cap, and I noticed that the cap came out really easy. Okay, you have two wires, a white wire and a black wire. The black wire goes to the center terminal, and the white wire goes to your the little terminal on the side. What I had found is on the one up over there that was the problem is I noticed that when I pulled the cap off to look at it, the center terminal was bent, and the white wire was off the terminal. So okay, I straightened the terminal out, and I pulled the cap off of a different one just to make sure the wires were coordinated properly, colors, and sure enough, all of them had the white wire going to the side terminal here, and the black wire going to the center terminal. That one, whoever had taken it apart last year or whatever, had the cap come off, and they thought that the white wire went to the center terminal. That's where they put it. It screwed everything up, made everything opposite. And so I went ahead and just straightened the terminal, put the black wire back on the center terminal, white wire back on the side terminal, put it together, and now you can see it's fixed. They're all the same color, and it'll be the same. It's fixed now, so it's all good. That's it.